And Litha Healthcare's first quarter earnings per share ticking up by 3.8 cents. That's to 0.7 cents, 3.8% rather. The company's turnover rose by 14% to 272 million rand. Joining us on the line to take us through the numbers, Selwyn Kahanovitz, CEO of Litha. Selwyn, thanks for joining us today. So, of course, we saw turnover 271.6 million rand. You talk about biotech and pharma doing well. But let's start off with biotech. Talk to us about some of the strategic moves that you're making to grow this vaccine division and, of course, very core to Litha right now.
Yeah, well, as you know, our quarter one results for the biotech division was quite a bit better. We delivered all our flu vaccine in that quarter, so that for us was good. And strategically, in that division, we are building vaccine manufacturing capacity in Cape Town, and that's part of this our public-private partnership with government.
Mm-hmm. When that comes on board, and just give us an update in terms of that build when it is likely to come through. Is it going to be just supplying South Africa, or are you looking at sub-Saharan Africa?
We are looking primarily at South Africa, but then together with that would be the SADC region, sub-Saharan Africa. And again, it would be dependent on the products required in that region.
Mm-hmm. So, first off, it's going to be mainly focusing on the South African market. You make mention, of course, of continuing to penetrate or pursuing new markets. Elaborate on what that means for us. I mean, markets in Africa, markets in emerging market space. Just give us some color to that comment.
Yeah, our export strategy is around the SADC region, so it's certainly around South Africa in the sub-Saharan SADC region.
Mm-hmm. So tell us about these specific areas that you're looking to get exposure to. Would it be on the Litha Pharma side or the Litha Biotech?
Well, I think it would be starting with Litha Pharma and Litha Medical in the products that we already have and we are supplying in South Africa.
Mm-hmm.
So we are looking to start expanding our markets outside of just South Africa, and then when the facility comes on board, and as long as we have the correct products, then we can start looking at some of those products in the region.
From a company perspective, in terms of getting your products into these African markets, what are some of the considerations and challenges that you're having to face right now? I mean, is it distribution? Is it finding suppliers on the ground? And where's the first market that you think you're going to have a strong presence in?
Well, it's finding partners in the different countries, because you need to work with a partner in each country. And then with the pharmaceutical products, you need to register the products. So there is a regulatory aspect to it. Mm-hmm. And we are looking at the countries closest to South Africa and then going further up.
Let's just take a look at Litha Pharma right now. Of course, has been a fast-growing part of the business. Take us through the various moving parts when it comes to, all the aspects of it, because you recently, of course, acquired Pharmaplan from Paladin Labs. But where are you seeing the most traction when it comes to growth?
Now for us, the pharma division has really been been very good this quarter. We believe we've now bedded down quite a bit of the activity, the mergering activity with Pharmaplan last year. So we are seeing a lot of increased sales, getting to markets where we weren't active in. And so we're really excited with our pharma division. We will be launching 9 new products in the middle of the year as well. Mm-hmm. And this is all products that have been approved by the MCC towards the end of 2012.
Are you concerned about the fact that the Minister, Ibrahim Patel, has said he wants to launch an investigation into pricing in the industry?
No, on the pharmaceutical side, it's been regulated for quite a while, and there's price. We can only get a price increase when the Department of Health allow it, which is on an annual basis. In fact, their price increase, which was regulated, was 5.8%, which came out in March. So we've been quite well regulated up to now.